So we got the camper yesterday. Here is my beautiful 1998 Mallard. And we are so excited. My mom got it here last night from Virginia. That's where we bought it from an older lady. And
Hi.
She's a beauty. I'm going to give you guys a little tour. We haven't done anything to it yet, so I wanted to do a before video and just give you a tour of it. And then I will do a video of me painting and decorating and any kind of remodel or renovation that we do. We'll probably change out the flooring and paint it and decorate it, and that's probably about it. It's really all it needs. So we are so excited, y'all. It's gonna be awesome. And this air conditioning unit over here beside me is loud, so I'm sorry if the audio is not great out here, but anyway, we're thrilled to have this baby, and we're gonna go on lots of fun adventures this summer, hopefully, if this COVID-19 mess will calm down. But yeah, we are thrilled. So let's go inside. So welcome to our camper. Yeah. As you come in, we're coming into the living room here. We've got jackknife sofa, and we've got some cabinets for storage overhead. I'll probably use this for the pantry or dishes. I'm going to open some windows to get a little better lighting. So if you go to the right of the front door, this is mine and my husband's room area. It's not a full room, but it does have an accordion door where we can... Oh, what the hell was that?
That was a stink bug.
Oh, door. And
a stink bug.
that makes it a blocked off room for us.
We gotta get this thing.
And there is a full queen bed in here with two big windows.
Oh yeah, this is the
a closet, some more storage overhead, and we have like a little corner shelf to use as a side table over here. Here's our kitchen. We have a double sink here. There's not a whole lot of counter space, but it has this little desk and table where you can do your prep work for your meals and stuff, or you can use it as like a laptop desk. We have a kitchen window, which was really exciting to me because a lot of the ones I looked at didn't have a window at the kitchen, and I was sad about that. We've got some overhead storage, pretty deep, nice cabinets. We've got the microwave, gas stove range, and an oven.
We got the key.
We've got 3 drawers, a lot of storage underneath the sink, a cabinet and 3 drawers for like utensils and things like that. Over here we have the dinette. This jackknife couch makes a full-size bed, and then the dinette makes a little twin bed, so you can use it as the kitchen table or make a bed out of it, or use it for both if you have company with you. We have a cabinet up here. Again, we'll probably use for dishes or the pantry. And then we have a little bit of storage underneath the dinette chairs, and we also have storage under our bed. Over here we have our RV fridge.
Cute. I thought that was a light.
And it does work. Everything works in here, so that's great. We've got storage on top and underneath.
I love the wooden fridge. It's really cute.
I think we're gonna chalk paint the fridge, and they can like do some schoolwork on there while we're on the road. We're gonna put a TV over here on this wall because it faces the couch. There was a little corner shelf here for old box TVs from 1998, but we took that out
Because we didn't want that.
And then here is a walk-through bathroom. It's actually pretty big.
Watch out for the spider web behind you.
We're opening real doors in here. We took those off, and we're going to get accordion doors just to save the space. So there's no doors right now, but we're going to get accordion doors on both sides. Here's the little sink. My mom has put some dishes in here and stuff for me that she brought from her house. But
And there's a lot of space back here.
yes, there's counter space.
I didn't even know there was a mirror right there.
There's a medicine cabinet mirror with storage. I don't know if we'll keep that or not. We might. And then there's storage underneath the sink. Deep shelves in there. And then we have another closet. There's so much storage in here. I'm so excited.
Then we had the potty. It smells really nice in here.
Then she mashed the air freshener.
Oh. Yeah.
Over here we have the toilet. And again, more shelves and cabinet space.
Even the bath.
We have a corner bath, shower, and it has a small bathtub, so I can still give the baby a bath.
Also show them the
Watch out for that spider web. Yes, it has a skylight in the shower for more lighting in here, which is great. New shower head. It even has a corner seat where you can sit and wash your feet if you've been out in the mud camping. And then our most favorite part about this camper, excuse the stuff on the bunks, my mom brought me some things, but we have a bunk room for the kids. And it has three drawers for their stuff.
Have nothing in there.
Not yet. It's got a little storage in here, but this actually folds down into a third bunk. So we have a total of 6 beds in here, which is incredible for a 1998 small travel trailer.
This one is Reagan's.
I have not seen another bunk room like this.
And that's one of our friends.
All the other bunk rooms I've seen in an older camper were just 2 small bunks. Some of them didn't even have a bunk room. It was just in the corner of the camper in the back. But this one actually has a bunk room.
Oh yeah, you forgot to show them the key.
Yes, here's the key.
Can I show them how to open this?
Yes. Briley's gonna show you the top bunk. So we have 3 bunks. So if they want to bring a friend or when their baby brother's older, they can all sleep back here.
I think I'm doing it right.
And they also have a closet to the left. They have their own entrance and exit.
I don't know.
And then there's actually a desk right here that folds up so she can sit on the bed. Or we can put a little stool there for both of them to sit there and do schoolwork or whatever. Okay.
Oh.
Woo! Alright, y'all ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What is bell? Oh. Okay, so this is a smaller bunk, but it's still a bunk, and it has a ledge. So even though there's not like a bar, if an older kid sleeps up there, there's still a ledge where they're not gonna, hopefully not gonna roll off. But this is the bunk room. Open that door for me, honey, so we can get some light.
It's locked.
So here's the bunk room from the bathroom view. And then here is the bunk room from the door, the entrance view. So nice. So excited about this bunk room. And they already have like a coat rack up here for towels or jackets or whatever.
Put your keys
bags,
there.
backpacks.
You can put your keys up there.
And then they have their own windows as well. And again, they have their own closet. I love that there is so much storage in here. This camper is going to be perfect for our little family of 5. I'm so excited about it. It's going to be wonderful. We're going to have a lot of fun trips and make a lot of memories in here. And again, I got this for a deal on Facebook Marketplace. I paid $4,000 for it, and I think that's a great deal. Everything works. It's not rusted out on the bottom, even though it's over 20 years old. It's in great shape, and I'm thrilled. We're going to get started cleaning and painting today. I'm going to film that as well. So stick around. Stick around for more camper videos. So I have some donation clothes in here my brother gave me to take to a resource center today, and I forgot those, so I took the ones in the house.
Where's the TV?
You know what I love most about this room?
Where's the
What?
TV?
You know how this is my bed?
Mm-hmm.
I have a new laptop. It's like it's 2 months new, I think.
Hey, Mom. Where's the TV?
And the peg, what is this called? Like
The leg.
yeah, I almost said peg. It's perfect for my laptop, and I can also plug in my laptop down.
Yep, and charge your devices or whatever. And if they don't have a friend for this top bunk, I can put some storage baskets for toys or whatever we want to bring with us, and I can stick it up there. So that's convenient and great too, to have a little extra storage space for everyone.
Those aren't toys.
But again, they can bring a friend too, and they have a bunk here. They have this bed and the couch bed.
I found a paintbrush. Yeah, we need
Yep.
that.
Yep, so this is our camper. I'm so excited about it, and I can't wait to share more of this
Oh, yeah,
process
there's
with you
more.
guys. This is something
There's
I've wanted to
more.
do for years, and it's finally coming to fruition.
There's actually more in here.
So we're going to get started. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Thanks again. Bye.
I have the keys.
Yep. We love you and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.